Okay, so here we are at the end of day one demolition. If you see what we've got going, able to open up some of the windows to go ahead and get some air blowing through there. This is kind of interesting. These, I think, may be original to it, but these are the cushions that we pulled out. We have been able to salvage all of those. Those are in pretty good shape. So I really didn't do any on the exterior side today. We just completely focused on the inside. So we've taken a lot out at this point. Not much that's going to be salvageable from in there. Potentially we will be able to use some of these drawers. We'll wait and see. Again, I think I said in the last video, it's the first time we've ever done anything like this. We've done a few, little projects around the house, but nothing really to this scale. So here's the interior now. Yeah. We've got found a few issues along the way, but we've taken out all of this cabinet work here. Little dinette area. Kind of left this. We're not real sure what we're going to do yet on the kitchen side. We didn't do anything in the bathroom either. Are concerned. We have found some maybe areas of water damage. This is not an original floor. It was just stuck on top of here. So that's something else we'll have to dig in and see what we need to find out on that. Anyway, I think it looks a little cleaner in here. A little bit. So this is our day one destruction, as we're on the road to doing a little of our own DIY remodel on this 1979 Ideal trailer. We'll see you next time.